I planted this bamboo partway through last year. It was a gift from my wife. This is giant bamboo, and this bamboo is for making things. It can be used for making furniture, either traditionally or as a laminated bonded material, and it can be used for the construction of really strong structures such as housing. People in Thailand have used this traditionally for hundreds if not thousands of years for building their homes, and it can also be used for all kinds of crafts and things like that. So it's a huge bamboo. It can grow up to 25 to 35, even 40 meters tall in the right conditions, and it has got a diameter from 15 centimeters to up to 35 centimeters. So it really is incredible, and the rim of it, the wood, the thickness of the bamboo culm walls can be 2 to 2.5 centimeters thick, so it really is a strong bamboo. Bamboo's strength to weight ratio is actually higher than a lot of steel is, so it can be used safely for scaffolding and all kinds of construction. But it's traditionally been favoured for making furniture, and also these days in the modern times it's being bonded and used as a laminate material for making all kinds of furniture and flooring and things like that. And this one here is, yeah, it's growing well. It's starting to send up some new leaves and some new sprouts and things like that. The main culm won't grow anymore, but I'm expecting to see some young shoots start coming up now that it's the beginning of our rainy season here, and I'll look forward to it filling this area here that's next to our compost bins and close to our other large bamboo. And one of the most intriguing things that I find that it's been used for is as water pipes or channels to help with irrigation. Because the culms have such a large diameter and the walls are so thick, it's been used for centuries to help channel water. In the days before PVC, I guess that's what's generally used these days, but this giant bamboo is a much more attractive, natural looking product than an ugly PVC pipe. And of course it can be used once it's spent, once it's had its useful life, it can be then used for making biochar. So if you'd like to learn more about uses for giant bamboo, please check out the link in the description. It'll take you to a page on our website where there's more detail about this type of bamboo and others. And if you'd like to know more about the bamboo in our garden that we use for eating and the other big bamboo that we've got, please check out these links here. Thanks very much for watching.